I'm a food blogger and a content creator. I run an Instagram handle called Vindhya. Summers are approaching and my favorite fruit too, mangoes. Today we are going to create a fruit salad with mangoes at the heart of it. So to make this mango tabbouleh, we would be needing our big pieces of Alfonso mangoes, bulgur wheat, and the people who are gluten resistant will be using pearl barley. See, the way we have boiled it, we have to soak it overnight, or maybe we can soak it for 3-4 hours and boil it. Bulgur wheat is in Hindi we call it lapsi, so we just have to boil it. And we will be using our spring onion and some mint leaves. And here is our virgin olive oil and lime juice and salt and pepper and a little maple syrup. So let's start with it. So we will start by first taking our bulgur wheat. Okay, so remember my thing, if somebody who is gluten resistant can obviously use a pearl barley. Right now I will be using the bulgur wheat. We're going to sweeten this bulgur wheat by adding a little honey. So this is about 1 cup of bulgur wheat. Taking almost 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. So I'm making it sweet enough. We're just going to toss in our mangoes. And here comes our spring onion, chopped very little of the spring onions, a few of the mint leaves. Here comes the olive oil, the virgin olive oil. So this is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We are going to put 1 lime juice, and here we put a little of salt and pepper. It's a very cool accompaniment to all our summer dishes. It goes very well with the falafels. I'm just going to whisk my salad and keep it cool. Yep, it's done. So I'm just going to transfer this to my bowl. I'm going to dress it a little with a little of virgin olive oil. This will give a little shine to my salad.